again, I gotta, you know that fucking person that lives inside you, the other one in your head? Alright, you got you, and you got the other one. Any of you guys know about your other one? Anyway, there's another one that lives in my head. And he wants to take over. He wants to fucking be the leader of my body. Fucking wants me to do wrong things to people. That's my other. I've given many names over the years, from Uncle Freddy. There's other names I don't remember. Uncle Freddy. Lewis was in there once. And then, you know, there's my nicknames. Filthy, Basilani. That's another other. But there's just the other that has many different names throughout my life. And this other, he wants to take total control and fucking be the ruler of me. The other also has a lot to do with my blatant use of self-destruction. But that's a different story, because the other and I both like self-destruction a lot. But the other, I don't know what he wants to do. I'm not sure of his plan. I'm not too sure what he wants to do. I'm not too sure if this is him right now. Somebody should look into that for me. Somebody should look into the other. What is that, like split personality disorder or some shit? What do they call it? Multiple personality disorder. That's what they call that shit. It's a bunch of bullshit. We all have others. Yeah. See you guys later.